The P0130 diagnostic trouble code signifies as a malfunction in the oxygen sensor circuit for Bank 1, Sensor 1. This sensor is located upstream on the side of the engine with cylinder 1, monitoring oxygen levels in the exhaust gases. Its primary role is to ensure the engine maintains an optimal air-fuel ratio for efficient combustion and emissions control. The engine control module uses this sensor data to adjust fuel injection accordingly. The code triggers when the sensor's response is too slow, voltage is out of the specified range, or an open or short circuit is detected. This creates a simple circuit connection between the ECM and the oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor generates a voltage signal, typically between 0.1 and 0.9 volts, based on the amount of oxygen present in the exhaust gases. A lean mixture with excess air produces a low voltage signal, while a rich mixture with excess fuel generates a high voltage signal. The engine control module interprets these voltage changes to fine-tune the fuel injection system. A properly functioning sensor provides real-time feedback, enabling the engine to operate efficiently and minimize harmful emissions. Several factors can lead to a P0130 code. The most frequent causes include damaged wiring harnesses, corroded connectors, a faulty oxygen sensor itself, exhaust leaks, or vacuum leaks. Less common, but still possible, causes involve PCM failures or sensor contamination from oil or fuel additives. Damaged wiring harnesses are a common cause, often resulting from wear, rodents, or heat exposure. Corroded connectors can interrupt the electrical signal, commonly due to moisture or salt exposure. A faulty oxygen sensor itself is another primary cause, where the sensor fails to respond correctly to exhaust gases. Exhaust leaks can cause inaccurate readings by allowing air to enter the system improperly. Vacuum leaks may draw in excess air, leading to lean conditions that trigger the code. PCM failures are less common but can occur, where the control module malfunctions and misinterprets sensor data. Sensor contamination from oil or fuel additives can coat the sensor, reducing its accuracy. Identifying the root cause is crucial for an effective repair. To diagnose the P0130 code accurately, follow these systematic steps. First, use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0130 code is present in the vehicle's system. Next, check for any related diagnostic trouble codes such as P0131 through P0136, which may indicate broader oxygen sensor issues. Thoroughly inspect the wiring and connectors associated with the oxygen sensor. Use a multimeter to check for continuity in the circuits. If the sensor has a heater circuit, test it for proper voltage and continuity to ensure the sensor can operate at optimal temperature. Finally, monitor live data from the sensor to observe erratic voltage swings. Use freeze-frame data to analyze the exact conditions when the code was triggered. If diagnostic tests confirm the oxygen sensor is faulty, replacement is necessary to resolve the P0130 code. New oxygen sensors typically cost between $50 and $200, depending on the vehicle make and model. When installing the new sensor, follow the manufacturer's instructions and ensure proper torque of approximately 30 foot-pounds to avoid damage. After replacement, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the diagnostic codes and perform a test drive to confirm the issue is resolved. Always use high-quality sensors from reputable brands like Bosch or Denso to ensure proper function and longevity. Avoid using harsh chemicals near the exhaust system to prevent premature sensor failure and maintain optimal performance. If the P0130 code stems from wiring or connector problems, careful repair is required. Thoroughly inspect the wiring harness for any signs of damage, such as cuts, fraying, or corrosion. Repair or replace any damaged wires or connectors. Apply dielectric grease to the connectors to prevent future corrosion. Ensure all connections are secure and properly seated. After completing the repairs, clear the diagnostic codes and perform a test drive to verify the fix. Proactive maintenance is crucial to prevent P0130 codes and ensure optimal engine performance. Regularly inspect your vehicle's exhaust system for leaks and address any issues promptly. Use high-quality fuel and avoid fuel additives that can contaminate the oxygen sensor. Choose replacement sensors from reputable brands to ensure reliability and longevity. According to a 2025 survey by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, P0130 is the fifth most common DTC in ICE vehicles, highlighting the importance of diligent maintenance. The automotive industry is rapidly evolving, and diagnostics are becoming more sophisticated. AI integration in diagnostic tools is predicting sensor failures based on driving patterns, with studies showing a 25% reduction in misdiagnoses. As ICE vehicles phase out and EVs become more prevalent, P0130 expertise will focus on legacy fleet maintenance. Expect virtual reality training for mechanics, with simulations for P0130 scenarios, enhancing diagnostic skills and efficiency. Hybrid tech trends may increase hybrid-specific P0130 variants, emphasizing the need for comprehensive diagnostic tools.